Interviewiz is a powerful AI tool designed to help you build your interview skill with conversational AI video avatar, role-specific questions, and performance-based feedback. On Interviewiz, you can practice job-specific interviews by simply copy and pasting the job description in here. Our AI will analyze it and generate questions that are most likely to come up for that role. It is a perfect tool to prep for an upcoming interview. Or you can run mock interview training anytime you want. Just like coding or public speaking, interviewing is a skill. The more you practice, the better you get. To get started, you just need to select your industry, pick a role, and then select your interview type, technical or behavioral. From there, Interviewiz will pull from a comprehensive question bank tailored to your selection. Once you begin the mock interview, you will engage in a real-time conversation with our AI interviewer, one that can talk, listen, and see you just like a real person.
Let's start fresh with the first question. Can you describe a time when you had to solve a complex business problem? How did you approach it, and what was the outcome? Please feel free to share a specific example from your experience, and I'll listen attentively to your response.
Yes, absolutely. As someone who worked in the healthcare industry, as a healthcare consultant for the last year and a half, I have to deal with complex business problems daily.
I'm impressed by your ability to work with the different stakeholders and negotiate agreements that meet everyone's needs. That's a valuable skill for a management consultant to have. Can you tell me more about how you ensure that all the stakeholders are on board with the solutions you propose?
During your mock interview sessions, Interviewiz will also track all your answers and give you a detailed personal feedback after every session. With an overall performance evaluation, along with individual analysis on every question you answer. The feedback will highlight your strengths and areas to improve to help you reach the next level. In addition, you also have an analytic dashboard built in to help you track your progress over time and optimize your personal growth. Serious about landing your dream job? Start practicing on Interviewiz today.